No, right there. Who is that?
Baby.
Baby. Can you say Tommy?
Baby.
Oh, you're covering him up. Okay. Good job. That's your baby brother? Huh? Where's his nose? Oh, careful. Do not touch his eye. No, no. Don't touch his eye. What about his hands? Where's his hands? There's Jesse's hands. Yeah, Tommy's hands.